Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Yuventa Rei. I do fun creative things on my channel like sewing, knitting, unboxing, talk about games, traveling, and many more. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. It means so much to me. So for today's video, it's an unboxing of something I've been wanting for a long time, and yes, it's another game console. Let me tell you how it started. During the lockdowns, I was introduced to a game called Animal Crossing: New Horizon. Ever since I got the Nintendo Switch, I've been playing non-stop. Then, one day, I was just browsing through YouTube and found this video about this 3DS console for the Animal Crossing New Leaf Edition, and that's when the obsession started. No doubt, I needed that console in my life. So here's a little history of the Animal Crossing New Leaf. It's a social simulation game developed and published by Nintendo for the Nintendo 3DS in 2012. In the game, the player controls a human character who takes on the role of mayor in a town populated with cute animals. As the fourth main title in the Animal Crossing series, it was released in Japan in November 2012 and in 2013 in the international territories. This specific console takes on the theme of Animal Crossing New Leaf, with its iconic design that later was dubbed the Pop-Tart 3DS console. The first time I saw this console, it immediately stole my heart. I kid you not, it was love at first sight. After that, I've begun my journey of always searching in online markets everywhere to find sellers with the right price for me. It wasn't easy since it's very rare and some were so expensive. Since the 3DS has been discontinued, the prices of limited edition consoles have gone up very, very significantly, especially in Indonesia. Until I saw this one seller. I knew then that if I didn't grab it fast, I would regret it so much. So, I gave myself a day or two to decide on buying it, and I was fortunate to be able to grab this one, although it's not in its original firmware and it's secondhand, but I don't mind it. This console was originally from Japan, so I asked the seller if he or she can change it into a custom firmware so that I can use English as the main language to be able to play the games that I've ordered. I also bought an SD card full of games that I chose just to have a variety of games in the console. Ooh, here it is. Here's the thing that I've been waiting for. Okay, the anticipation is building up. Can't wait to see what's inside and what the condition is. So let's open it together and see what's inside. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god! Can't believe I am looking at it. Can't believe I'm touching it. It's here, everyone. It's here. Oh my gosh. Doesn't it look so cute? Doesn't it? Tell me that's not cute. Come on. Now you know why it's called the Pop-Tart 3DS. Because it does look like sprinkles on the console, like those fruits, colorful fruits. They look like sprinkles, and it looks so beautiful. It looks so cute. Okay, so that's how it looks like. The seller told me that there's minor scratches on the body, but the screen itself, they're pretty protected because it has been using a screen protector since he or she first bought this console. So that's fine. So let's just take a look around the body. It still has the 3DS game cards. You can still use that. It's still doable. Look at that. Just look at it. I'm so in love. It's so pretty. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, now let's start cleaning it up. Because yes, still COVID exists. and I still want to be safe and sanitize everything that I have purchased before doing anything else. Please excuse my dogs barking in the background, just ignore that. Okay, so here I'm starting to open the mica case, but since I didn't ask the seller how to open it, I was having difficulties on how to take it off from the body. So you'll see me struggle for a little bit, and it kind of looks pretty awful the way I'm trying to do it. I'm pretty careful with my things, so I didn't want to break it or anything. So I was really trying my best to take it off, but yet be careful at the same time to not break the mica casing, because I really don't want to buy another one because of my stupidity. So I'm trying really hard not to break it. Okay, so now finally I was able to open the mica case from the console, and I slowly took it off, taking care of not to break the mica and also damage the body from scratches. So there it goes, mica case off, and now to sanitize and clean the body. As you can see, you can't even tell that there are scratches on the top of the body because it's really a small scratch. It's very invisible to the eye. You can't even see it. I can't even see it. While wiping down this console, I kept saying to myself, oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever held in my hand. It's so cute, it's so colorful. I mean, everything about it screams cuteness. Don't you think? So in this spot is where there are some scratches, very faint scratches. You can't even see it, the camera can't even tell and pick up. Oops, there goes thunder. I'll leave you off with me trying some of the games out and see if everything is functioning well with the screen, the sound, the buttons especially. So enjoy the footage. I'm sorry about the glare that my ring light is producing, but all in all, the console is functioning perfectly. Nothing was lacking at all, and I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Thank you very much for staying until the very end of the video. I hope you like this format of me doing my own voiceover, and I hope to see you in my next video with other fun things that I can do. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you very much to all my subscribers who have watched my videos and helped my channel grow. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!